Today we are going to see how to edit design ideas in PowerPoint. Let's get started. So we have a slide here in which we have an image and a text box. Now we will select one design ideas slide, go to design ideas, and we'll select this one. So we have got couple of design elements here. Go to design ideas. I'll make the slide duplicate. We have first slide, second slide. I'll edit the second slide. So we have image and text box and a couple of design elements. Now text box I am able to move, but I am not able to select any of the design elements. See here, trying to select but they are not getting selected. But image and text box I am able to move, select or edit. So what we will do, home, go to select, selection pane. Bingo, we have all the design elements along with the text box and the picture. Remaining all are the design elements, freeform shape 21, 19, 17 and so on. So you can select from the selection pane and even you can change the color. Select the freeform shape and change the color. If you want to change it to red, I'll select another shape and change the color to black. Now what if I want to increase or decrease the size like this? For the image I am able to reduce or increase the size, but I'm not able to do it so for the shapes. I select the shape and if you see the size is completely deactivated. Further expand it, the size is not editable. So I have got one workaround here. Right click on the shape, save as picture. Don't select PNG, select scalable vector graphic SVG format. And then save. I'll select one more element, right click, save as picture, SVG format, save. Again I'll select one last shape, right click, save as picture, and again SVG format. Now I'll delete all three elements. Select, press delete. Again, select, press delete. And then last, select, press delete. Yeah. Now I'll insert the images which we have saved. If you see here, it has come as a graphics format, not as an image. If you select PNG, it would have come as image. Now it is graphic format, so we can change the color. We can apply graphic effects. We can place it wherever we want. We'll select another image. Increase the size. Place it wherever we want. We'll change the size. Move it. Again, import the last image. This is also a graphics format. Change the color to red, to violet. Change the size only one direction. Place the image. We can change the color to green. Here we go. This was the first. This is what we have edited. Thank you everyone.